Yes.
खरदुंगला रुकेंगे ना वैसे भी. Do you guys want to stop at Khardungla?
Do you want to stop?
The least stops.
Do you want to stop?
Aa durmak istiyor musunuz diyor. Bence durmuyoruz.
No. No.
Okay, we stop.
Very good.
Abi 4 saat.
Ah.
Gerek yok.
Bir şey soracağım. 4 saat motor mu süreceğiz?
Yok da daha
No,
iyi
no,
bir
no.
yerde.
4 saat değil ya.
Oradan
Stay in
oksijen
another.
şey olmasın.
Stop in another.
You only have to stop for
Stop.
wants to stop, they can stop. Boys and girls, good morning.
Good morning.
Last day of the ride.
Ya.
Tomorrow you guys will be heading home. Couple of things. You know the route where we came from. We have to take the same route. We'll go out main road, T junction where we had our lunch. From there you have to take a right. If you take left, you go towards Siachen base camp. We have to take a right towards Leh. There are a couple of turns. Make sure, like, if you get confused, ask them. There will be locals around. Just ask Leh. We'll do our first regroup at North Kulu checkpost. The other day where we stopped, you guys saw that on the right. From here it will be on the left side. We'll do a regroup and from there we'll go directly to hotel. If you want to stop at Khardungla, take some photos, quickly move from that place. Okay. Once you enter Leh town, there will be couple of roads which will take you to hotel. There is one which goes through the market, the other one is a bypass of the city and all. Just ask anybody the Kal Hotel, Skara. You know the like map and everything is there. Just put it on the map and come. Otherwise, if we will be riding as a group, we'll go together. Okay. Once we reach, we have our lunch planned at Kal Hotel. Post your lunch, change, and come back to your motorcycles and remove all the accessories which you have put up on your motorcycles, because these bikes will be going back to the rental guy. So he'll take it. Make sure before 5, if you want to go to city also, take your motorcycle. It's completely fine with us. We will call him at 5:15 and he'll come and he'll take the motorcycles. Once the motorcycles are gone, there is no guarantee that if you leave any accessories on the motorcycles, they'll come back. So make sure you remove everything, even your seats also. Right?
Yeah.
And
guys, once you reach hotel, do drop in your flight tickets, flight details, so that cabs for tomorrow morning can be arranged. Let us know what time your flights are, so that we'll arrange for cabs accordingly.
Okay.
from 4 o'clock, Amit will be taking interviews. So please make sure you have some 15-20 minutes of time with you. So they'll make you sit somewhere in the Kal Hotel and they'll ask you a couple of questions, your experiences, this and that. And those are the personal interviews that will go through, right? And it will go till like 8 o'clock.
So basically what we want from you all is how this experience is meant to you. You can think about it and speak how you want to speak about it. It can be long, it can be nice in your languages, some bits in your language, some bits in English, but a nice way of explaining how this experience was to you and how it changed you all as a person.
Nice.
Türkçe
Türkçe de var.
Evet bence
Evet,
daha da
Türkçe de var.
güzel olur zaten bence de.
Murad, I would like you to explain it, this last line. In the past, on the last day, everybody is very excited and we go fast and do like some stuff, and there have been couple of accidents on the last day of the ride. Make sure today we are at very normal pace, and so far like everybody is safe, good in health. Single piece, one piece. I would like everybody to reach Kal Hotel, which is 191 kilometers from here, in the same way.
Okay.
Diğer günler
We'll
olan
take
değil
it.
miydi ya? No please.
150 is still there. 190 it is. 150 kilometers it is. Sorry, it is a shorter one today.
Aa, 150 kilometre. Aa.
Şey,
That day we took like some 60 kilometers.
uygulamaları açalım.
Niye öyle bir şey?
İyi az kalmış ya.
Bir şey
140 around it is. So make sure you go very easy.
Very
And
easy.
the last vehicle will be Rahim as always, and our luggage is going with us only with the ride.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
We will have coffee stops.
We will have one stop at North Kulu checkpost. We'll have some tea, coffee. That's the regroup also. So that place is some 60 kilometers from here.
Ha 60
So
kilometers.
it's like midway
Tamam.
kind of stuff. We stop, we have some tea, coffee, drink some water, and then
Benden
we
ne
climb
yapmamı
up
istedi ya?
Kardungla.
Ben kaçırdım.
go down
Son bölümü çevir
and
Türkçe'ye
reach.
de dedi. Ya yavaş
Be
dikkat
very
edin.
careful. It's not like there will be like something you are expecting something else on the road, but be very careful. This is the last day. Let's take it easy. Reach safe. Have lunch at that place. And in the evening, once we reach, we will put up a time for the certificate distribution also. So it's a small 10-15 minutes of 20 minutes of ceremony where we will call each of you and give your certificates, and there you can like tell your experiences also. Right.
Okay.
An invoice for crash damage.
Boys, one more thing. You would have seen lots of motorcycles yesterday. So everybody will be starting from this place to Leh today only. Don't get confused by other motorcycles. Just see if our motorcycle, your Moto Himalaya logo is there. Because there will be hundreds of other Himalayan 450s. Don't get confused. Just see like if they belongs to your group. Right?
Right. Yolda başka motorlar da
motorlar,
olacak.
karıştırmayın.
Karıştırmayın diyor.
take the same flight. You and Bayat.
Hemen.
Bizim Himalaya logolarına bakın diyor. Yanlış motorun peşinden gitmeyin.
Do another batch also.
Ben hiçbir şey yapmadık ki. Yaptık mı?
Bugün gelmeyecek herhalde.
Biz yine aynen.
Biz arkada üçlü gideriz.
Okey. Ben Hatice sen önce.
Early morning, mine is
Arada lütfen.
Seni kaybetmememiz
Böyle yok
lazım.
olduğumu gördünüz. Sen
okay.
giydim yukarı çıkacağız çünkü.
We can discuss the rest of the stuff
Yiyelim
in
mi
the
ya?
evening.
Durduğumda çıkartacağım ben. İndiğimizde
Drinks or
çıkartacağım.
tea, coffee, whatever it is. So right now we'll
Hasan'a 500
move
borcu
together.
var.
There is only one junction from where you have to take a right,
Yeah.
which is
That we
the
get
lunch
lunch.
point. There you have to take a right. Don't get confused.
Okay.
Gelirken
Geldiniz.
yemek yediğimiz noktada
Oradan
orada
sağa
sağa döneceğiz. Orada karıştırmayın diyor. Tek önemli nokta ondan sonrası zaten
Till then
tek
we'll
yok.
try to
Geldi bize.
Together.
together.
Gel together.
Tamam zaten takip ediyoruz.
And then we
Ha,
start.
belki hızlı gidecek bir öyle şey. Bazıları acele etmeden.
Kesinlikle acele etmeyin.
Biz
Son
evet,
gün
biz
tekrar
Biz yavaş gideriz de herhalde birileri gitmek istedi.
Hadi bakalım yola devam.